Hi, my name is Nathan and I'm the Center Director at Code Ninjas San Marino, and I'm just going to take us on a brief health and safety tour of our facility to show you what steps we're taking to both protect our staff and our ninjas. So starting at the front, if you look outside, we have social distancing markers spaced at 6 feet apart to make sure that any ninjas who are waiting to enter the center can do so safely and at a safe distance. Once they get in the center, we will stop them right here on a welcome mat, where we will ask them a brief symptom survey. The survey is only 3 questions. We ask about whether they have a cough, whether they have any other symptoms, and also we ask if they're living with anyone who is currently sick or has COVID-19. We also will take their temperature using our touch thermometer, which you can see is very ninja friendly. It will get within 2 inches of the ninja's forehead. We'll hold it until there's a slight buzz, and then we'll just read off the temperature, just to make sure that everyone who's entering can do so without a fever and without any symptoms. We performed that symptom survey and that temperature check for both staff and ninjas. In our lobby, we are currently not allowing any parents to stay in our lobby. This is to limit the number of adults who are in our center and to limit the spread of the disease. Instead, we will be using our lobby to quickly isolate any sick kids so they have a safe and clean area in which to wait for their parents. Now, once the ninja enters and they've had their survey, they will go to the back room to wash their hands. When a ninja reaches the back of the center, the 6-foot social distancing guideline still applies with the markers on the floor. We also have separate bathrooms for both ninjas and staff per LA County regulations to help stop the spread of the disease, and we also clean these bathrooms between each use. So once a ninja has left the dojo, gone to the bathroom, and then returned, we make sure that one of our staff is notified and will go in, wipe down the door handles, wipe down the sink, wipe down the toilet, just to make sure that our ninjas are not spreading the disease to each other. In the back of the center, we also have a water dispenser. This water dispenser usually has cups on the top of it, but during this time, we have removed the cups. Our ninjas can still get water, of course. They need to ask permission from the sensei or from a member of the staff, who will provide a cup for them and also pour the water for them, just to make sure that this doesn't become an area where ninjas spread germs to each other. Once the ninja reaches the dojo, there are many things we do to keep them safe because this is where they spend most of their time. So first of all, you notice that the store is currently closed. That door is only closed for filming, just so I don't distract our ninjas, who are very easily distracted. Normally that door would be open so that ninjas aren't touching the same door handle as they're entering and exiting the room. Once they get in the room, they'll start to see immediately that air purifier. That is a medical grade air purifier that is an appropriate size for this room in order to catch as many particulates as possible to limit the spread of the disease. They'll also see our sensei seated there, who will make sure that they wash their hands before entering that room. That sensei can actually see all of the ninja screens from his computer so that he doesn't have to get into a ninja space in order to help them. All of our ninjas are 6 feet apart, and all of them have those blue privacy screens to help catch any sneezes or any breathing that they have. You'll notice that all ninjas are required to wear masks, and if they do not have a mask, we provide them for them. We have also set up all the technology for them, and we clean it between each use. In fact, in many cases, when your ninja arrives at the center, they'll be getting a new laptop that has not been used that day. In addition to that, we also have hand sanitizer on each table as an additional measure. If a ninja were to sneeze in this room, that ninja must go and immediately wash their hands, and all other ninjas must hand sanitize. And that is one way that we make sure that those particulates are caught. Now that is the health and safety tour of our center. Please let us know if you have any questions or any suggestions of things you'd like to see. We aim to be as receptive to our community as possible, and we want to make sure that ninjas can come back and code. Have a nice day.